Hi, and welcome to our assembly. Our assembly on Monday was all about signs of autumn, and I took you on a walk through Delamere Forest when I took Leah, the dog, through the forest, through lots of mud, and we saw all the signs of autumn. We saw acorns, we saw leaves on the ground, we saw lots of water because it had been raining lots. We saw beautiful, beautiful autumn colours. And today I'm going to read you a poem. It's just a really, really lovely poem about lots and lots of signs of autumn. So let's have a look at our Signs of Autumn poem. Here we go. So I've got that same picture that I took from Delamere Forest, just because I like it, just because I think it's a nice photo. And this poem is called Signs of Autumn by Jan Edmonds. So what I want you to do is I want you to listen to the words as I read them. I want you to read along with me, and each line that I read will be highlighted in yellow. And I want you to see if you've seen or felt or heard some of the things in the poem. Okay, Signs of Autumn. There's a chill feel to the morning air. The shadows longer grow. The ripened fruits hang on the tree. They make the branches low. Speckled sunlight shimmers through ever-thinning leaves, its rays dispersed and scattered by the silver shimmering trees. The tubs and hanging baskets, which once were fresh and bright, look tired and brown and lanky, a wistful, withering sight. Excited birdsong signals change. Some gather for their flight. They know that autumn's on the way, for longer grows the night. The leaves will shortly start to fall when once their glories o'er. The hay is safely gathered in barn and shed and store. The hedgehog eats its winter fill before it hides away. All creatures don their winter coats to keep the cold at bay. We thank God for the harvest and all the food that's grown, for farmers taking special care of every seed they've sown. These signs and more are very clear in the message they convey, that summertime is almost past and autumn's on its way. So put your hand up if you've seen one of those signs, or you've heard one of those signs, or smelt or felt one of those signs. I've certainly felt colder weather. I've seen longer shadows. You might have seen geese flying in a V formation as they're flying south for the winter. You might see where farmers have gathered the crops in. There's lots of different signs of autumn, and they are all absolutely brilliant because it's such a lovely time of year, such a lovely season with fantastic colours and that really lovely feel in the air. So I hope you enjoy autumn. I want you to take the chance to have a look, and rather than just running around, or rather than just going, oh yeah, there's some leaves, actually have a look at how beautiful it all is, how lovely the place looks, because the world around us is absolutely wonderful. And if we take the time to stop and notice it, it makes us feel really good as well. So there you go, guys. Have fun looking around at the autumn signs. And see if you can remember to try that challenge that I gave you on Monday, catching a falling leaf, because it's harder than it looks. There you go. Bye-bye.